Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a halftone effect in Photoshop. Before we start creating the effect, we need to prepare the image. For best results I recommend using high contrast images. To start, add a black-white adjustment layer. Adjust the sliders to fine-tune the contrast, but for this image specifically just use the darker preset. Now we need to merge the adjustment layer with the image. Hold down Shift and select both layers. Right-click and choose Merge Layers. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl-E or Command-E. The next step is to apply a halftone effect. Click Filter and open Filter Gallery. Select the Reticulation filter, which you might recognize from my previous tutorial on the Xerox effect. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend checking it out. Adjust the density and sharpness to your liking. After that, apply the grain filter to add depth to the image. Here are the values I'm using. And now finish with the halftone pattern filter to achieve the signature dotted effect. Size setting controls the size of the halftone dots. For a classic halftone look, start with a mid-range value and adjust based on your design's needs. The contrast setting affects how defined the dots appear. Higher contrast makes the dots sharper and more distinct, while lower contrast creates a softer, more blended effect. By carefully adjusting these settings, you can customize the halftone effect to perfectly complement your design. You can see how the halftone effect adds a retro textured feel to the image. But if you need adds color to your design, you can use Gradient Map. Go to Adjustment Layers and select Gradient Map. Choose a gradient that fits your desired look. This could be a subtle monochrome gradient or a bold, colorful one. You can also customize the gradient by adjusting the color stops. And here's the final result. The halftone effect truly makes the design stand out, adds a bold and dynamic touch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.